director with the Pampered Chef, and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I am making, per request from Michael, I had got out a pork loin, and I'm like, okay, what do you want with it? Because it's a nice day today. So I'm like, what do you want with it? And he's like, I said, I can make some stuffing, I can do some mashed potatoes or some roasted potatoes. And he's like, okay, we'll do the roast, because I also told him I could do pulled pork or something like that with it. But he's like, no, I don't want the pulled pork, I want it in slices. So I said, okay. So per Michael, it is going to be roast pork loin with mashed potatoes and corn. I know I have done this before. This is a normal one for us. We got a lot of pork loin in our freezer. So what I love about getting the pork loin is you can cut it up. I'm going to put this down here. You can see what I have. You can cut it up into chops if you want. And a lot of times I will either have if the meat department will do it, I will have them cut it up for me in like 1-inch slices. Or I will have, and when you get the lid, you get the huge one, I'll have them do roast, and then I'll have them cut it up into 1-inch pieces. But on this one, I didn't, because it was from a store that doesn't really have a meat department. So I had to do it myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some oil on it. And I just have this Soul seasoning, so I'm just going to put that on it. I just feel like doing this. So we're going to put this right on here, all along. And I'm going to turn this over, do the other side. Here we go. Massage it in a little bit, because we want all of the sides to have the seasoning. And this is just one that I get, and we have some great seasonings too. I use my Pampered Chef ones too all the time. And I was thinking about doing the rotisserie, because my air fryer has the rotisserie feature, and I am in love with my air fryer, and the rotisserie feature particularly, you all know that. But I decided to do this as just roasting it instead. So come along with me, take a walk on the wild side. There is my air fryer. So I'm just going to put this in, and just like that. And if I wanted to roast some vegetables, I can put them down here. But per Michael, corn. So there we go. So we're going to set this, and what I love about this air fryer, I'm going to do it to roast. And it's going to be $3.75. I think that's going to be good enough. So I want to put this up to maybe a half an hour, because I think it's going to take at least a half an hour. And there we go. That's going to cook. Easy, easy, easy. And what I love about the air fryer is that you can, come along over here with me, you can use it on roast, you can do it on air fry, you can do it on rotisserie, you can do it, let me see, bake, like dehydrate, reheat. Oh my gosh, it's great for reheating. I love it. I'm not using my microwave because I'm reheating in there, and it comes out so much better reheated in there. So here's the deal with the air fryer. Right now, as of today, and this is when I'm recording it, so if you're seeing this later, it might not be the case. But as I'm recording this on May 15th, it is only available to my hosts for half price, which is a great deal. And so you just host a show, get it for half price. It's worth it. And it will open up at some point, but right now, that's what it is. And it's one of those appliances that you're going to be using all the time, especially in the summertime when you don't want to heat up your kitchen and it's rainy outside and you don't want to go out by the grill because it's thundering and lightning. You don't need to do that. So this is a great thing for that. Okay? So enjoy tonight. Enjoy this nice weather that we're having right now. And just put down below what you are cooking tonight. I would love to hear what you're cooking or having if you're doing takeout or whatever. And don't forget, sharing is caring, so share this, like it, comment below. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Linda Medeiros. And that's it for now, and stay safe, everybody. I will talk to you later. I might not cook tomorrow night, we don't know. Because my mother's already telling me that, tonight she wanted pizza. And I was like, no, I already have the pork roast already done, already defrosted. So I'm like, no, we're not going to do pizza. So, who knows? I might not be cooking tomorrow night. I don't know. But we'll see. We will see. Maybe I'll be baking. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.